Great. Well, thank you, boys. That was an amazing trip, a whirlwind trip of 24 hours of Istanbul. I mean, I've seen so much and I have so many ideas that it was hard to come up with the menu.
Yeah.
Because just influences everywhere. We've done, for me, what we do in the restaurants is a lot of fermenting and a lot of curing, etc. So I've tried to sort of bring in a little bit of that element into the menu here. We're going to do some standard oysters that we do with green nanjim, which is a bit of a Thai sort of concept. We're also going to do some fried padron peppers with a bit of kachabushi. And then we've also got some scallops coming in as well. We've also got some hand-chopped lamb. Do you guys do hand-chopped lamb? You have raw lamb tartare a little bit in Turkey?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah.
So a little bit of a first?
Yes, it's gonna be first for me.
For you? Then this is taking the idea of sujuk. We're going to do a fermented beef. We have this style of fermented pork in Indonesia, but we're going to do it with the beef. And then we've also got some fish cakes. So what we've done is we've aged tuna for 7 days, and we've taken the hard bit of the tuna when you're aging it, and we've turned that, and we're going to turn that into little fish balls.
Okay.
And then we've got some sashimis going on as well, a little bit of crudos. And then we've got a crispy whole fish from the fish markets that we went to. Saw some fantastic fish, didn't we?
Yeah, it was.
And then we're also a short rib beef, which is a bit of a signature in Mamasan called dendeng balado.
Okay.
But I've put it in a little bit of a Turkish twist in there.
Yeah.
Bit of yogurt, of course. You know,
Always.
Turkey always have the yogurt.
Tomato paste also.
And pomegranate.
Yeah.
Can't forget pomegranate. And then also, I've seen that you guys do a wonderful ribeye aged, so we're going to use a little bit of that.
Okay.
And then we're also going to do one of our signatures, which is like a char siu lamb rack as well. And then we've also fermented our own kimchi.
Okay.
And then we've run out of time, so I really want to also highlight something from you guys. So we're going to do the Isokyo desserts from you guys.
Yes, we have nice selection actually.
So the idea is taking a little bit of the East, mixed with a little bit of the West, but still keep a little bit of an Istanbul theme throughout the menu. So basically the next step is start cooking. We've got 9 guests of the top media of Istanbul coming in, so super excited, a little bit nervous. I am at least. You're not. You probably know them. Yeah, you're nervous. You're nervous if I get it wrong, yeah? Or what are you going to say? It wasn't me, it was him.
Yeah. No, we are together actually. Yeah. No.
Oh yeah? We go down together. And so basically we're going to get into it. They should be here in about maybe 10 minutes, so we probably better start preparing and getting ready.
Let's do it.
See you at the end. Here you go, boys. Have a taste. Let me know what you think.
Wow.
So you can really see the protein by aging it.
Yes.
It breaks it down.
That was really great idea to age that fish, first of all, and it tastes really nice. That's why it's really nice to have the different country, the different chefs, and you can combine the cultures, and we can teach each other, and we can see what's come out. It's really nice.
And that, I hope, is what Isokyo is all about. You know, it's about meeting of cultures and food. Yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
You enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What did you think?
It's good, nice flour coming. Also, I love it, the truffle and ponzu bit together.
Truffle works with everything, no?
Yeah.
All right, boys. Listen, cheers.
Thanks.
And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you,
and
sir.
thank you to the Raffles Istanbul.